Yo, free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? Alright, let's get back into the kick of things. Alright, PrizeRebel. Shout out to the online team. About to do a PrizeRebel full breakdown tutorial. Alright, people, go through my channel, watch these videos. Watch these videos. These videos will help you out on an every single day basis, and it will put some money in your pocket today, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, once you get verified, once your account gets your account and your profile gets verified for the first cash out, like 24 hours I think it takes. After that, every single time, instant, people, instant. All right, so let's dump into PrizeRebel real quick, see what we got going on. Diamond member, $47.96. All right, so we're gonna give you guys a full breakdown tutorial. All right, my bad, the audio been crazy last couple videos, but these last couple months I've been cashing out like crazy. All right, cashing out like crazy. Just got a new work schedule, so I just been out of sync. I just been a little bit out of sync, so that's why I haven't been doing videos and haven't been on the grind as much as I wanted to online. I just been busy working on different things. All right, but now we're about to just start putting things together and start leveling up. All right, people, a lot of things I've learned, I'm about to teach you guys, and we're about to get into it. All right, so first things first, right here. First things first, PrizeRebel. All right, when you sign up to PrizeRebel, link's gonna be in the description, so you get a sign up bonus and future bonuses. All right. First thing you want to do as soon as you sign up to PrizeRebel, you're gonna come to your home screen. All right. See my name right here. Now I'm a diamond member. I think you're gonna be a bronze member when you first start off. Let me check this out. I think you're gonna be a bronze member when you first start off. All right. Now your bronze member, you get 15% referrals, silver 20%, gold 25%, platinum 20 gold 25%, platinum 25%, diamond 30%. All right. So you're not going to get automatic prize processing yet. What that means is you're not going to get paid instantly as far as like a couple of hours or something like that. All right. It's probably going to give you maybe like 24 hours until it gets processed. But the way that works is the more you keep cashing out, the faster it's going to be. You know how they say, oh, it takes 48 hours. And then sometimes it comes in 16 hours, or something says, oh, it takes 2 weeks to come in the mail or something, and it comes in a week. So they just do that to give you that gap to know, like, all right, listen, it's not automatic price processing, which means you're not going to get it immediately. All right, but once you get the silver, and you get the silver really quick, and all you need is 1,000 points. 1,000 points is $10. All right, you can make this in one day. So you can get the silver literally in one day. All right, literally in one day you can get the silver. It's only $10. All right, you could do 10 surveys for $1. And usually got surveys for like $1.20, $1.50, $3, $4. So you could do different type of things on here that you could get to silver easily. So don't worry about this. All right, this is probably going to be your first cash out. Could be a $10 cash out, and you'll be at silver. So don't think it like it's going to take forever to get out of bronze or anything like that. All right. So what you want to do is, let me get out of here. Back out of here real quick. All right, so first step you want to do is you're going to follow him on the gram. If you don't want to follow him on the gram, you don't have to. It's the point. Like I said, you're just trying to get these points on going quick, all right? I'm going to just show you the fastest ways that I used to use on an every single day basis, and I know that still works now. This is why I still use this, all right? Because I teach people to do exactly what I was doing. They do it, and I get referral earnings, and they make money. You see what I'm saying? So I teach people exactly how to do surveys. I teach people exactly how to bang all these offers out. See all these offers? I used to come in here and do all of this. I used to wake up in the morning and do this before I go to work. That's a quick $5. Cash it out and go to work. Now I know you're like, oh, it's $5. Who cares? You do that every day. That's already $150 in the morning. I'm making in the morning for the month. For the month. Every morning, I would just make $150 just because I did that. And guess what? You know I'm doing it when I come back home. So that's another $5. So that's already $300 minimum on this one site. And I use like 10, 12, 13 different sites repeatedly. Like, you sometimes I only use sites that works. That's why I don't use 100 different sites, 50 different sites. I don't have time. Who has time for all that? I use the sites that work, and I just double down on them. That's all I do. All right. So I used to come in here and do all this. Like I said, watch my first 50 videos, first 100 videos when I'm just going schizo. Like every day I'm just waking up, just going crazy. Any spare time I got, I ain't watching movies. I'm not playing video games. I'm not messing around. Any free time I got, that's literally not for the family, or I have to go do something, or a chore or something broken, I got to fix it. I'm on here and I'm just racking up. Non-stop. Now I'm starting to take my free time and learn how to invest in stocks and different things like that, right? So I'm trying to, level up in a whole different element. You see what I'm saying? So you got to understand that I really want to be an investor. So, but I need to learn how to earn the income. I need to learn how to make the money. I need to know where to go get it from, right? How to generate it, right? While I'm not actually sitting there 100% on it, working on it, right? So there's different ways that you got to think to level up. This is why I like to start off my channel like this. So if you have nothing, zero, you don't know what to do, I can start you off. Make $1 a day, make $5 a day, make $10 a day. Now you can start thinking like, okay, let me go buy this book, let me go buy this course to learn this way. You see what I'm saying? So you start leveling up and thinking about different things. All right, so let's scroll back up here. So first step you're gonna do, follow them on the gram, get your point. Second step you're gonna do, go download the Chrome extension. All right, now if you have Mac and you can't download, I don't know if you could, but listen, download this. Why? Your Chrome extension, see right here? I come here and I click this. This gives me all my all my stats right here. All right, anytime I get referral earnings, they tell me. Anytime there's new surveys, they tell me. Anything that's going on, they tell me. All right. Now, one thing's just been a little funny with this. I don't know why. Maybe I have to update it. I don't know. Maybe I have to erase it and then download it again, the extension. But it's not showing my earnings from yesterday. So every time I come in here, it always says 0. But when I show you here, I know I got something yesterday. So every day is like I maybe $1, $2, $3, $4, $5 every single day, right? And I'm not even running any ads or anything to it. So you have to understand, like, this is just YouTube taking over as far as me just, you know what I'm saying? Just sharing my expertise and what I know as far as how to earn income off these free sites, 100% free, and take it and actually get it into your bank account where you could go to the ATM today and get the money out. You see what I'm saying? This is what I wanted to learn how to do. I know how to do that, so now we're trying to level up. So now, when you come in here, you got to download Chrome extension. They're going to give you free points. They're going to give you free points as a bronze, silver, and gold. Remember, they're going to give you free points, promo codes. All you got to do is copy and paste the promo code. Free points mean free money. All right, so you got to use that. All right, so the first thing you want to do, you want to go to your surveys. Your surveys are going to be longer surveys. All right, but they're going to be paid more money. All right, but what you want to do is, if you're not, I just need it quick, I just need to see some type of movement, go to your daily surveys. All right, why does it say hot? Because the hot means people are always doing it. So always go to your daily survey. All right, bang those out first. Once you start really getting into it, go to your surveys. There's longer surveys, but those be the ones for like $2.50, $3, $4, $1.50. You do three of those real quick in your spare time. You already at $5 a day. You're already at $150 a month. We're just doing 3 of these. So you got to understand how quickly you can do this. Once you first start off, you got to understand, like, you got to read a lot, you're clicking a lot, right? So all you're doing is reading and clicking. You're going to learn how to read faster and click faster and just maneuver faster, because they're going to ask you the same questions over and over and over. It's going to be the same question. After you do one survey, when you do another survey, they're going to ask you the same questions. It's going to be profile questions, right? How much do you make a year? Where do you work at? What type of job do you work in? What type of job field? What type of car do you drive, right? They just want to see if that's you. So you answer all these questions correctly, it's going to open up the survey. Once you go to the survey, they're going to ask you opinion questions, right? They're going to ask you opinion questions, right? Now, the opinion questions that they ask you on the surveys, they're going to ask you that because they want to see if you qualify for the survey. What do you mean by that? All right, so they're going to ask you about glass bottles and plastic bottles or something, right? Then they'll ask you about vacation spots. Then they'll ask you about which is the best floor cleaner that you like to use, right? Depending on how you answer that, it might be a survey about the floor cleaners. But you say, oh, I have no interest in floor cleaners or whatever. But you're answering the vacation questions. I did this, I did that. So you have to understand that it's first profile questions, then it's qualifying questions for the survey. Qualifying questions for the survey, you want to sound like you're interested in everything. Right? Like everything. Like whatever they ask you, you want to act like you're interested in. Now, if it's a question where they ask you and you know it doesn't pertain to your profile, you want to stay true to your profile. So whatever your profile is. So if they be like, oh, do you work in the field of this? And you want to sound like you're interested in it, and you say, yeah, but in your profile, you know you don't work in that field, that's going to disqualify you. You see what I'm saying? If you say that you make $50,000 a year, but in your profile, it says you make $70,000 a year, it's going to disqualify you, right? So you got to understand, like, whatever it's like, you have to match up with the same profile questions, all right? So as long as you do that, you're going to be fine. They're going to ask you the qualifying questions for the survey. Now, whatever you do, just make sure you sound interested in everything, as long as it doesn't have nothing to do with your profile, right? So whatever they ask you about, it doesn't matter what it is, just act like you're interested in it, right? So whatever multiple choice answer that they have, you're gonna pick the one that you just sound like you're interested in. And like I said, watch my survey videos. I do live surveys. I'm not gonna do a survey on this video, but watch my other videos where I actually do the survey and I show you and I stop and I show you like, yo, look at this question. Answer this question this way. I actually show you videos where I show you that. Alright, so watch those other videos on how to do surveys. But these are tips that they are huge. Alright. Then another thing is, if you're doing a survey and you always get kicked out, yo, every time I answer this question I get kicked out, that means you're answering the question incorrectly. Either it's a profile question that you're answering incorrectly, or the survey wants you to answer like you're interested in this certain topic or whatever choice, but it might not, you might not care about it or might not be interested in it, but still seem like you're interested in that topic, whatever it is. Whatever, just seem like you're interested in, or you participated, or you used that before, right? Like say if you never used Mr. Clean products or something, right? And you never used it in your life, but they actually do use Mr. Clean products. Don't say you never used them before. You see what I'm saying? Say, yeah, I used them before. All right. Survey open up. Like, oh, okay. I always put no, but now that's what you have to do. You have to seem like you're interested in all things. Make sure you match up your profile questions correctly. Once the survey opens up and they start asking you questions about the same type of product or the same type of criteria or area, what they're talking about. So let's say if they're talking about soft drinks, right? And they keep talking about, they actually like 4 questions in a row all about soft drinks. The survey is going to be about soft drinks. It's over. They're not going to ask you these random questions to see if you qualify. You're already qualified. So once you get like 3-4 questions in a row about a certain topic, like sometimes they'll do commercials. Sometimes they'll show you ads for a commercial to watch. So it depends what they're talking about. If they ask you the same question 3 times around the same topic or product, that's going to be the survey. So now you can answer opinion. Now it's an opinion survey. You know what I'm saying? So now they're asking you. So now it doesn't matter what you put as these answers, because it's an opinion, right? So and once in a while they're throwing a profile question in there just to see if you're paying attention. So it's an opinion now. So now it opens up. So the survey starts off as a profile questions, right? And actually all about your profile. Make sure you put the same thing, your name, whatever. Like, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you put you male or female. They're actually random, regular questions on your profile. Where you live at? Do you live here? This, that, and third. Is this your age? Right? So you're gonna answer that correct. Once that's done, it's gonna be qualifying questions for the survey. Act like you're interested in everything they're asking you about. That's it. Survey's gonna open up. Once the survey opens up, now it's opinion questions. Answer those however you want. An opinion. Do you like glass or bottle? Do you like bigger bottles or smaller bottles? Do you like travel sizes or bigger sizes for the value? Like, you know what I'm saying? Do you like this price or that price? That's what they're going to ask you. So easy. Just click on it and answer these questions, people. So easy, all right? Once you do that, it's going to go back to profile just to see if that was you. The survey's going to finish out, and it's going to go back to like 3 or 4 questions at the end. That's going to be profile questions. You're going to answer those. Yes, I live here. Yes, I make $70,000 a year. Yes, I do this. Yes, done. Click everything out. Go. Boom. Done. Survey completed. Money in the bank. All right. So this is how you're going to continue to keep doing that. All right. All right. So let me just show you some stats real quick. Go to referral stats real quick, just to show you guys what's going on. The reason why I'm showing you guys like this is because I want to show you that I'm not earning nothing crazy. Look, $1.49, $1.80, $2.23. And mind you, I'm not using this. I'm using different things. I got different things going on. Before I used to make this used to be $10, $15, $18, $17, $16, $14, $12, $13. When I was in here, you know what I'm saying? Going crazy. But now I'm not in here on an every single day basis, right? So this is just earning from me on the side. All right, coming in, look, $3.58. Look, $9.52 on a good day. You see what I'm saying? Now I'm not even doing anything. All right, you see the referrals? Not even nothing crazy. 1 or 2 referrals per day, if that. I'm not running any ads. I'm letting YouTube just do all the work. Now I'm about to jump in and start running ads like I used to do and get this thing really jumped up, all right? So like I said, let me just do a quick cash out. Let's go to rewards. Super quick cash out. Scroll down here. They only have $5 and $100. I'll just take the $5 right now. Claim that. And like I said, another thing too, you guys, you always want to cash out early. Always want to cash out early in the morning before everybody starts taking up all the the PayPal cards, okay? And they always have them available too, and you could just do custom if anything, all right? Free online money maker, this is how you do it and get this money, baby.